Greetings, dear listeners. On August 19th, Dr. Curious and I welcomed the arrival of the full Sturgeon's moon for 2024, but I was unable to broadcast due to all the smoke in the air from forest fires up north, which is why the moon is so red. And it's a supermoon, no less. Supermoon! Although I can't see a cape. Actually, a supermoon is a full moon that appears larger as the moon itself is closer to the Earth. But this supermoon has a fat red face from choking on all that smoke. And it's not the only one who has a fat red face from choking on all the smoke. This year, the August supermoon is followed by supermoons in September, October, and November. The Sturgeon's moon came by its name as August was the traditional month for catching sturgeons on the Great Lakes and on Lake Champlain. Now, do you believe that? It sounds kind of fishy to me. Now, sturgeons are prehistoric fish that can grow to incredible size. As big as an SUV is no exaggeration. Don't believe me? Then do an image search for giant sturgeons washed ashore. I think you will be amazed at what you see. As a result, I've long suspected that sturgeons may be behind most of the lake monster sightings in North America, and a quick look at the literature suggests that may be true. Among the lake monsters suspected of being sturgeons, we find Bessie in Lake Erie, the Flathead Lake Monster in Montana, in Flathead Lake no less, Paddler in Idaho, even the famous Champ in Lake Champlain. No, it's not Lake Champlain. Although a lake of champagne would be okay. A lake of lager beer would be even better. But no, that's not right. Even the famous Champ in Lake Champlain may be a sturgeon. Now, it may be hard to believe that Saskatchewan could be home to a sea serpent, but Turtle Lake near Turtle Ford is said to be the home of, wait for it, the Turtle Lake Terror. A stereotypical lake monster with a serpentine body, humps, long neck, and a horsey face. Horsey face. And the Terror isn't a fair weather fiend, which befits a Saskatchewan cryptid, but in the frigid depths of winter, it is known to tear holes in the nets of ice fishermen. But like the other lake monsters mentioned in this video, the antics of the Turtle Lake Terror are generally blamed on sturgeons. Now, many moons ago, I wrote a book, sadly unpublished, sadly for me anyways. I wrote a book called Sea Monsters from Sea to Sea, which features bad poems about Canada's various aquatic cryptids. So, having actually visited Turtle Lake, and no, I didn't see nothing, I had to write a poem about the terror. So, without further ado, here goes nothing. Saskatchewan is flat and wide. There's just no place for things to hide. But something awful and abhorred is found outside of Turtle Ford. Scoffers scoff about the terror, claim reports are human error. Some will tell you it's a sturgeon, but I bet none of them is a brain surgeon. Let me know if you'd like to hear more of my bad poems. Or if you're good, you're fine, you're good. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Warren, and I write and tell original ghost stories and original horror stories featuring such cryptids as the Night Floaters, werewolves, and the Black-Eyed Children. So again, please consider subscribing. Please help me to reach my goal of 2,500 subs. Till midnight. Cheers.